Hey everybody, this is Rob again, and I got the Pepper Putz
How
with
you
me,
doing?
and Mr. RJ, who you know him from other videos. He runs a camera and a few other things. So he wanted to sit in on this one because I have an interesting package here. And for those people that have been complaining about the U.S. Postal Service, the tracking on this said it wasn't supposed to be here until tomorrow,
Yeah.
and it showed up today. So
Well, they did something right for once.
yeah, all right. But this has come from New Jersey. And for those that know, Mr. Batman lives in New Jersey, and it actually says Batman is the return address on it. And of course, I'm not going to say what it is, but if we look at the back, it says fragile glass. So we can kind of imagine what this is going to be. And do this so that I don't show the label off, of course.
Make sure you don't.
I am very skilled with a knife.
Oh, I know. It's my Boy Scout training kicking in.
See, I think I was worried about Rob maybe nicking me once or twice for the first couple of videos, and then after that I was like, yeah, he's got it.
Yeah.
And if worst comes to worst, I get that workman's comp, so.
Yeah.
Right.
Okay, outer bay, open. Inner bay. Make sure there's nothing else in there.
Not seeing anything?
Oh, I smell something.
I was say I was already smelling something, even if it hasn't been opened yet.
Whatever it is, it's very tightly packed. If you'd be so kind.
I'm offended. You didn't send blue bubble wrap.
Okay. Jeez.
Giving Rob some crap there.
Oh, just a little bit.
I think he taped the front down too, looks like.
No?
Maybe across here.
Probably make it easier if you just stick the knife in between though.
Yeah, I just wanted to get it started. It's coming pretty easy. There we go.
Yeah.
All right, so the big unveil. Ooh.
You owe me a Coke.
Yeah. The Killer Croc. This is the new Verde sauce that Batman was talking about. I got a bottle of Verde sauce.
Oh, looks like you got a thing underneath all of that too.
Yeah, there's something else under here.
As you can see, he's put a nice little label on there.
More packing material, sir.
Looks really nice
Oh.
and chunky.
Yeah, it looks like it's got a real nice consistency to it. And a sample pack of the Bat Out of Hell's powder. Oh yeah, I've heard of a lot of people talk about this.
I can smell it through the cap.
Well, you might be smelling this.
No. Actually, yeah. Ooh, that's got a nice.
You almost need to make a batarang powder, the heat that just keeps coming back.
It's like you take it, a little bit of it goes away, comes back, goes away,
Ooh.
comes back. That's
It's not too overwhelming, but
No, that actually smells
it's-
really smoky, almost
that
like
smells
a
something like-
liquid smoke type.
It smells like something I would use for a rub for some pork belly or something.
Oh goodness. I don't know how well I'm going to be able to taste this. I was just handed other samples right before the video.
I gave him I brought in the vials of the smoked cherry blend and the Reaper Peach Ghost from Goham.
And then I had, just tried the smoked cherry. What do you got?
Now, knowing him, this is going to be really hot, so I just went with a small amount. Okay.
You're just put like a really small dab in my hand there.
Oh gosh, there's like a big chunk rolling to the end. I don't want to kill RJ here. Get out of there. There we go.
Yeah, that should be enough.
Okay.
Alright, now to close this safely without losing any of it. Maybe, somehow, one-handed.
Possibly?
Close enough.
Close enough? All right, ready?
feel like
All's
such-
well that ends well.
I feel like such a baby compared to these guys because I have like maybe like a couple of grams on mine.
Yeah, but you're not used to the heat as much as we are. And
Right.
granted, I have issues yet too. So
As they say, the joker's on us.
Ooh. Ooh, there was like a really, I got like a really sweet thing, like almost like
Yeah.
like almost like lemon or something.
Like a lemon pepper.
Oh, it was really good. And all of a sudden it was like bang. It was like that little sweetening like popped, and then all of a sudden it was like, oh hi, heat.
Definitely getting salt, like a lemon pepper, some sort of liquid smoke.
Mm-hmm.
But I'm not tasting the pepper underneath all of that, though. I'm getting the heat, but I'm not getting a specific like pepper taste. There's nothing
Right.
stand out.
And that's what I like when it comes to spices and hot sauces. Is if I don't taste the pepper, but I get the heat, that's ideal for me, because just for some reason I don't like the taste of pepper by itself. But like I like the heat from it though.
I've heard a few people say that.
Yeah, when
That
it's mixed in with everything else, then it works. Okay. I can't. I wish I had a palate like yours, because I can't pick out individual flavors like that. But overall, everything is.
really smoky.
Yeah, that's
like
what
it.
I was gonna say. You got your citrus end, you got your pepper end, and then like a smoky area over here. I'd say it's in that area. It's not. I don't get any kind of citrus off it, but I don't get a bland flavor either.
Mhm.
It's like right up in that quadrant.
I would-
I guess it's hard to explain, but
I would definitely use this as a rub for some pork belly or something. Like maybe some pork belly for some
Put it
pork
on
belly
some
ramen.
ham or some pork chops and grill them up.
Something like that.
I was thinking chicken breasts would be really good with this,
Mm-hmm.
but
Can you make that in an IV bag?
you know where I think this would maybe shine its best? In beef sticks.
Yes.
Ooh.
I think if it was added into the next batch of beef sticks that I make, it would
jerky.
be. I don't do the jerky, but I do the beef sticks, and I think it would be a great addition to that.
Well,
You know,
Well, sorry.
I was gonna say it almost tastes. Not that probably any of you would know, but it almost tastes like a lot of the meat you get from George's,
okay.
as far as like quality of jerky taste.
And George's is one of the largest butcher shops in the area.
That's the place over in Saint.
Nicollet.
Not Saint, but yeah, Nicollet, right?
Okay. We have one more thing in here. And I kind of know what this is. And this puts a smile on my face. This is a nice little card. It says, "One touch of nature makes the whole world kin." Quoted by William Shakespeare. It says, "A gift for you." It says, "Rob, you are like my Alfred, not the butler, just the endearing fatherly thing. Thanks. Enjoy the sauce since it's a bit hot for a Verde. The powder is the challenge chip level 1, so not too hot." Okay, so challenge, yeah, the chips that he made. This was the powder that he put on it. Okay. Also, here's a tree planted in your name. In your name, a tree is being planted. Rob Z is being honored with the gift of a tree planted in one of our national forests. This gift comes to you from Batman.
Nice.
You're free. A gift that endures will help replenish magnificent forests and preserve the habitat for the wildlife that call it their home. From the Arbor Day Foundation.
Oh, that is cool.
Happy holidays, my friend, and God bless. Batman.
I just want to point out, I was just laughing because it said this gift is from Batman. I thought that.
Yeah, it literally says Batman on the card.
Yeah.
not making fun of anybody, but just that it's funny to see a card written out like that. That this is from Batman.
It's like he goes up to Poison Ivy, gives her a gift, and like, "Here, Merry Christmas. I planted a tree in your name."
That's pretty much
Yeah.
how I was picturing Rob reading it out. Is like, this tree is for Rob.
That means a lot to me, especially since I like to grow so many things
Oh,
and
yeah.
everything else.
That's definitely cool. That's kind of like having a star in your name. It's not everybody gets that honor
Yep.
of having something named after you or put in your honor. So I mean, at least hopefully that trio.
Hey everybody, yeah, the batteries kind of died,
Oops.
and where it ended, you just saw it. We were talking about the donation of the tree in my name, and everything else. We lost about another 10 minutes of video or so. And if you look at the top of this bottle, you'll notice there's a difference in it. We did probably one of the weirdest sauce tasting test things that. How would you like to describe it?
Totally unplanned out.
Well, this
Is
much
the
is
best way I
true.
could describe it.
What we did was we didn't have any spoons in the place, so
Yeah.
we went and got sterile gloves and we all poured a bunch into our hands and just kind of popped it.
I had like a small fingerful because I'm a wuss.
Well, yeah, but we can change that over time.
Oh yeah, we're getting there.
But yeah, Devin and I each had a nice big glob of it or pile of it, and I piled it up, and it didn't hardly even spread out. So this is a very nice thick sauce.
Oh yeah.
And we just popped it in, and great consistency to it. Devin had a really good description of the flavors that he was talking about, or that he was tasting, and this is the first time I'd had a Verde sauce. What about you?
I've had Verde, like the Taco Bell stuff before, but usually when I was eating it, it's because it was like I was eating straight out of the package to cut like one of those hot sauces that you had me try with like the Reaper in it or something, because I wasn't used to that heat, and so it was just like I was trying to kill heat with heat.
Yeah.
But compared to the Taco Bell stuff, this stuff is actually something I would definitely try, like a taco or like a burrito or something like that.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, that's what I was thinking. It would go good on tacos or a burrito, or even a taco salad would be really nice with this. Something, well, even a regular salad would be nice added in.
Or yeah, or heck, even like make like a walking taco with a bag of Doritos or something.
Oh yeah. Well, I could see sitting here pouring it on Doritos as I'm going along and eating them.
Oh yeah.
But really nice. Actually, nice is kind of an understatement. Really good flavor to it. I wasn't picking up any kind of like vinegar or anything like that, so I don't know if there's any in there. If it is, it's really light. But the flavor mix all throughout gave a nice, real even,
Excuse me.
very good flavor. How would you say it?
The flavor, I definitely like could. For me, like I could definitely taste the pepper and everything, which for me is like a big thing I'm kind of against, just because I'm weird like that. But it didn't overpower the rest of it, so it was actually a nice, very even blend. Best I could describe is that it had a very nice sweet end to it, and then all of a sudden it was just like, but the heat kind of clinged on there and like nice about too. I'm when it comes to this stuff, I'm more for the heat than the flavor, obviously, but it definitely would be a good thing, like we were saying, for tacos and stuff like that. Especially if I'm like, this would be something I would probably actually give to my kid for a taco, maybe, because my kid is she's like the only one in our family who actually straight off the bat likes hot stuff. Like she's always been wanting to like try different hot sauces and stuff like that. And I've been kind of hesitant on it because I don't want her to burn her mouth off, but
Yeah.
like this little almost 7-year-old kid has been eating hotter stuff than I normally do.
Yeah. But anyway, we got the taste test in. Really good stuff. I would recommend this to
Yeah.
anybody who likes the nice Verde sauce. You can find Batman on YouTube under Make It Wayne. That's his YouTube channel, so you can see the different videos that he's got out there. You can also find him on the Pepper Lovers community, or the PLC, and the Pepper Lovers Marketplace. I do believe. I'm not sure what he's got for sale at the moment, but you can usually find him in one of those ways. Also, he does the live show on Thursday nights with the Bat and Bear show on the Make It Wayne YouTube channel. So go and check that out as well. Very good show. I usually watch the recaps of them because I'm not around when he's actually doing
Right.
it, but that's beside the point. So I go and watch the shows afterward. All right. With that said, I think we can take and close this video out. Like I said, sorry about the battery dying, and Devin had to take off, so that's why he's not here.
Yep.
Any final words?
Just really great sauce, really great powder. I definitely look forward to trying more.
Yeah, that's very well said. Yeah, I'm a happy camper. So I want to thank you again, Mr. Batman. I greatly appreciate it. This is absolutely killer. And yeah, getting it a day ahead of the scheduled time was even better.
Oh yeah.
So with that said, I am going to take and cut this video out. I want to thank you very much for watching. I greatly appreciate it. Don't forget to subscribe and like and notification button down below. And any comments, leave them. I usually get back to people within a day or so. And with that said, we will say,
Later.
bye.